Hey, what's up? I gotta show y'all this boy. These things is nice. Anyway, now you know everybody. Since all the regular LS7 lifters are sold out in the nation, I had to go with something a little classy. Let me show y'all this, man. I had to go with something a little classy. Hey. I don't want to have to do that there. This is not a review because I have yet to use them. This is just an unboxing video. It's a nice picture. If I can remember correctly, they are the Morel lifters. Morel lifters. LS7 Morel lifters. A little more than the regular LS7 lifters, but they nice. I think they worth the money. A lot of people talking about they worth the money. They already won me over with the box. I ain't even put them in the car yet. I like the box. Look at this. Look at it. Boy, that sauce. Them look nice. But already looking nice, man. I'm not sponsored by this. I bought this stuff with my own hard work. Talking about hard work. Money. Let me show y'all. Look, come some stuff already. Oh, yeah, they look nice. I wish I had my LS7 lifters on the side of these so y'all can show y'all the difference. They don't look for my regular LS7 lifters. I can tell you something that I can tell you already. This freaking roller is spinning way easier than my other lifters. I'm talking about this one spinning. Y'all probably can't see that. This one spinning. But yeah. It's just a little unboxing. These nice lifters. I'm gonna close the thing because I don't want to bother when I get it. Show y'all. Oh, well, nice. Real for me. Closer. These mother right here for this. They nice. You know, I can't really brag on them because I ain't using them yet. But they look good and they roll pretty smooth. But I'll keep y'all updated. Y'all want to see what these lifters looking like? Just in case y'all was interested in them, because I couldn't find no videos on YouTube about these lifters. But yeah, they look good for sure. And I heard a good amount of reviews about them on little forums and stuff like that. But I haven't seen a video about them. But I'll be sure to make a video on how they perform in my ride. Just want to show y'all this. I would got these lifted for y'all, because I gotta show y'all the difference. Like for real. Or y'all spend y'all bread elsewhere. I'm telling you, man, look. This is the LS7 lifter. It's just regular. This is an official GM lifter right here. Yeah, this is official. Alright, look at that. See how it is all poked out and stuff? It's like right there. And the little drain hole. I'm not sure if this is a drain hole or a suction hole. I'm not sure. I ain't even gonna mislead somebody to believe what I'm saying because I don't know nothing about that lifter right there. And the hole right here. But look at this. They roll, but they don't roll nothing. And I rolled these and they were new, so I don't want to hear, man, they used it. Nah, I rolled these when they were new and they wasn't rolling like this. Look, man, this mug is. This mug rolling like some rollerblades. Let me check this out. Look at me. Look how deep that is compared to that. That's deep. That's in there. That's nice. That's nice. And I don't know why this hole is on the side, because that would technically be on the side of the bore, like right on the side of the bore, where the piston, where the lifter goes in. So I'm not sure what's up with this. But this one is on the bore also, but it's on the back where the bore lines, not on the side like that. So I'm not sure the difference, but it definitely looks nicer than this one. They're about the same weight. Yeah, about the same weight. Can't say it's a difference in the weight or nothing like that. I'll just be capping. But yeah, man, they look good. I just had to get this for y'all. Show y'all a little something. Look at it. Come on, this is the Morel. Look at it. You can hear how ready that thing ready to roll. And watch this. Look at it. It just blah blah. It ain't doing nothing. But yeah. Y'all gotta make y'all own decision with these lifters, you know. A lifter ruin your engine. For real. That's why mine apart. I'll say halfway apart because of a lifter, but I ain't no jet blame on lifter.